Before I explain this dashboard to you, we need to understand that who do you need to present your dashboard to? Your stakeholders. In this example, what we have tried to do is we have tried to create multiple views. We have tried to have a CEO view, that's for your chief executive officer, and we have a different view for your chief financial officer. So there are certain KPIs which your CEO would like to see. There are certain KPIs which your CFO would like to see. So in that case, we have segregated the data. Before again, I explain the entire dashboard to you. What I would do is, first I would just show you the data first. So let's come and see the data first. So to start with, you have a customers table where you have different customers. You have the clients, you have the client IDs, you have different locations. Okay, there are a lot of measures which you'll be creating over here, and there are products. Basically, these are the products which you are basically selling, and these products belong to different categories. So they are the categories. So now coming back into the visualization, you have the CEO view where you have the different clients. Okay, so this is your CEO view. The major KPIs are on the top. And then let's say from the drop down, let's say if I only say for cards, for example, so I'm filtering the entire data only for cards. You see my visuals have changed, but the top visuals which you see, they have remained consistent. So I have kept these visuals consistent, and depending on what the person changes from here, let's say I select cards and I select disk. So that means the data will only show me regarding cards and disk. So all my visualizations will basically change. So I have different products. I have the revenue generated, which particular product. I have the forecast. So this is my CEO view. Then I have my CFO view. There I have different clusters, but what you can see over here is that I have the forecast revenue. I have the forecast cost, which means, and I have a what if analysis. Let's say that means if I decrease my price by 3%, the same way, let's say if I increase my cost, okay, by another say 20%, for example. Now in that case, what will be my total revenue? What will be my forecast revenue? All these figures will change. So depending on what I have selected, how I am changing these visuals, all my numbers over here at the bottom will change. It takes a moment to load, and there you've seen the forecast cost has basically changed. There you go. So now it is 3.12. Here you have the top products and the customers. There you go. So I have the top products, I have the refund percentages, the profit percentages, and I have the different clients and the profit percentages for every product sold to the specific client. So these are the dashboards which you will be creating in the workshop.